My dear students, I am S.K. Tiwari from Sunbeam Convent School, Buxar. I am here for the explanation of lesson 13 from geography. The heading of the lesson is Inside Our Earth, and this explanation is for the students of standard 7th. Yesterday I taught you about the layers of the earth. Yesterday I taught you about the layers of the earth, and those layers were crust, mantle and core, along with the definition of rocks. Today I am going to teach you, I am going to explain you about the types of rocks. The rocks are divided into three parts. The rocks are divided into three parts on the basis of their formation. On the basis of their formation, the rocks are divided into three parts. They are firstly igneous rocks, secondly sedimentary rocks, and thirdly metamorphic rocks. And now I am going to explain about these three rocks one by one. At first, I want to make my explanation about the igneous rocks. These rocks are formed due to the cooling and solidification and crystallization of molten earth materials. They are known as magma and lava. Igneous rocks are also called primary rocks. Once again, igneous rocks are also called primary rocks, and igneous rocks are further divided into two parts, two types. Firstly, intrusive rocks, and secondly, extrusive rocks. Now explanation of these two types of rocks. At first, I want to explain about the extrusive rocks. When the rising magma doesn't reach the earth's surface and it is cooled and solidified below the surface of the earth, such rocks are called intrusive igneous rocks. Such rocks are called intrusive igneous rocks. And after that, I am going to tell you about the extrusive rocks. What is the meaning of extrusive rocks? When the molten lava cools down and solidifies on the earth's surface, then extrusive igneous rocks are formed. Extrusive igneous rocks are also called volcanic rocks. Extrusive igneous rocks are also called volcanic rocks. And after that, I am going to explain my view about the sedimentary rocks. What is the meaning of sedimentary rocks? What do you know about the sedimentary rocks? When rocks are broken down into small fragments, into small parts, into small particles, into small pieces, these smaller particles are called sediments. These smaller particles are called sediments, and these sediments form layer of rocks, and with the help of these sediments, the layers of rocks are created. Such rocks are called sedimentary rocks. Such rocks are called sedimentary rocks. And now I am going to explain my view about the metamorphic rocks. What is the meaning of metamorphic rocks? Metamorphic rocks are formed due to the changing form of the sedimentary and igneous rocks. When metamorphic rocks, we try to know about the metamorphic rocks. I want to explain my view. Metamorphic rocks are formed due to the changing form of sedimentary and igneous rocks. It is the changing form of sedimentary and igneous rocks. I mean, metamorphic rocks are the changing form of sedimentary and igneous rocks. And today that's all, and wait for the next day. Bye bye.